Hello everybody, welcome to the Blue Bike Doors channel. We try to get in the shed we ain't dicking around in the shed, we're dicking around trying to get in the shed. You watching Blue Bike Doors channel. As long as I got Lucille, I can still be the blue bike, right? Run that intro. So, welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doors channel, Blue and Black Bike and Door. I'm gonna be the Road Glides and Doors channel. No, I got too many stickers right now. Oh me. So we're gonna take a longer ride. That didn't lock. No, I ain't got the bumper on, but I got it over here sunbathing. It needs to be painted in this. Hey, look at this. I guess I laid it on too thick. That primer cracking. That's alright, I'm gonna sand it and fix it. So, we're riding the Mistress today because it's new to me and I want to ride it. I ain't rode it but like 13 miles since I owned it. So we're going to ride up to Cartersville and talk to them about some stuff. Like the subwoofer not playing. Because it ain't hooked up, dummy. Dummy, you big dummy. No. I'm still looking for my sunglasses. I ain't got my quad lock yet to put on here. So, let me see that turned on. I'm not organized today. So, how your mama now? How your mama now? I ain't got one view today, and that's the view you're gonna get. Toe shift, toe shift. Ooh, that wind's still a little nippy. I still got the little windshield, but don't worry, I got stuff off of eBay coming. And you know, I couldn't find. I was like, oh my Lord, where's my thermostat? It's the same place as Lucille, and I just looked over. This thing says it's 38 degrees. Is that right? I can't see. 38.8, but supposed to warm up to 60. I don't believe that's right. Well, I get a lot of in my helmet. What is that? I don't know. Something's rattling. My screws loose in my head's rattling. So I'm back. I'm back in black. Yay! So, let's see. Oh, these handlebars are wider apart, but they taller. These are 14s and not 12. I don't know if I told you that. I kind of feels pretty comfortable like this. Yeah, I think these are pretty right. I don't think I need to move them in any. Yeah, we'll get back with you in a minute. Well, damn, I forgot something. And the damn music, you hear it going in and out, cutting off and on. I just, you get something that you just, and it's not right, and it pisses you off, right? But I think I might know what it is, because I got my iPod in this thing, and my other one on Lucille, there's nothing for it to rattle on, and I might have to wire the power cord across the front of the screen, and it might be hitting the pause button. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I forgot something at home. My picture challenge plaque thing you're supposed to carry with you to take pictures and then get it stamped because you completed January, because this is February. I forgot it. I may need to get two, since I got two different motorcycles now I can ride. I love the hand grips, high-heated hand grips. Don't like this short windshield, but that's alright. I got a bunch of stuff ordered off eBay. The eBay. Got it. Well, we got a red light challenge. Oh, man. Unless you ought to jump in front of this cement mixer and then stop to turn right because there ain't no turning lane. I think not. I think I'll be patient and just wait. He shouldn't be in over here unless he's fixing to get on the interstate. I don't know. Turn my blinker on so I don't get run over. They need a turning lane here. Ooh, motorcycles out there. It's a pretty day, so they got all the bikes out. I think the end of the month, they're having a social sting. That's that gold Road King. Still got it. Still got the other bike, the 24. Look at that one. What is that one? Lowrider, old lowrider? I don't know. That's the King I looked at. Well, if I can get turned around here. Alright, I'm leaving here. They said they couldn't do nothing about the radio because it's not covered under warranty. Which way am I going out? I guess I'm going out this way. Got a tiptoe on this one. Well, I guess he ran around back trying to, I don't know. I was going to show you the salesman. He's fixing to go in. Where are you going? Jesus. She came in here like a rolling stone. See if I can get out of here without getting run over. Oh, got a cramp in my leg. Oh. Heel toe shift. Am I recording? Hey, how you doing? You got a big old gold thingy. What you call them things? Am I in time lapse? I hope not. You know what? I gotta get my new windshield put on. I don't like the short windshield. But no, they said they couldn't do much on the warranty on the radio is not under warranty. That's electronic. I don't know, but they line of BS. And I was going to mention too, I talked to them about it, and I still think it's a rip-off. It's on all bikes, and they're going to charge you for it anyway. $599 for this what you call theft, anti-theft. But the bike's stolen with it on there and it's not recovered, then they can pay you automatically $5,000 no matter when it is, I guess. But it's like it's a bunch of little dots on it that only picks up under this light that most police department has. So I had him have to explain that to me, but that's how it goes. So now I got a radio that half-ass works. Nah, that just makes you. I got my sticker on for January. Now I got to figure out what's February. Check the help. Oh, I didn't do that. Can't stop at Hobo Freight because I ain't got no room. Where you going, dude? Idiots. I was gonna say, Home Depot without that big truck hitting to run me over. Can't stop at Home Freight, Harbor Freight, trying to be the influencer, because I ain't got no room. Only got one saddlebag. That's got a sub that don't work. How you going? How you going, friend? I was gonna close my video out. Probably long enough as it is. Just a second ride on the Mistress. I like how it sounds when you let off the gas, because it's true dual. See, Lucille's, you know, it's got the head pipe and all like on it, but it's a 2 and a 1 into 2. You know, it don't. But this is a true dual. It's a different sound in it. I think it's still got the baffles in it. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed got out and ride some. It's pretty today. I don't know about where you at. Where you is. Anyway, it's another house, a new house they building. We up here in Paulding County anyway, so it's, you know. What is wind? Anyway, we'll see more house and subdivision. There's 4,000 new employees in the battery plant. That's why they building all these new houses. Check that old bus VW pickup out. Don't see too many of those. I don't know if you've seen it or not. Probably didn't turn my head enough. But no, this wind with this cheap windshield on it, this little low profile windshield. Anyway, go check out that video right about there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumb up, make sure you mash that button, because I get a lot of comments but I don't get a lot of likes. Don't hit that